Last class discovered mineral resource. Now we will discuss the word food resource. The word food problems, modern agricultural problems to effects for the food resources. The main objective food security for individual within this global food. Our current food system is with inequalities issues that prevent the adequate food security for all limited food resources. It is the understanding the functioning of the importance of the food resources. The main introduction for this food resources. Food is an essential growth for development of the all living organisms. It is very much required for all living organisms. Food is an energy resources. These are the essential material are called for the nutrients. The nutrients for are available from the variety of animals and plants. There are thousands of edible plants and animals over the world. The majority of the people obtain the food from the cultivated plants. Domesticated animals, although some food is obtained from the oceans, fresh waters, but the great majority of the food, the human population is obtained from the traditional land-based agriculture for crop and livestock. The world food problem. As per the estimated FAO, the Food and Agricultural Organization, about 840 million people remain chronically hungry for the food. Out of the 800 millions of living developing world in the last decades, it is decreasing at the rate of 2.5 million per year. But at the same time, the world population is increasing. The target of the cutting off of the number of the world chronically hungry to unnourished peoples in the 2000 will be difficult to the meet for food resources. Due to inadequate purchasing power of the buy of the food and difficulty to fulfill the minimum calorific requirement of the human body per day. The number of people are in India poor, which can be the attributed for equitability and distribution of the income. In the nourishment and malnourishment, the major problem of the malnutrition are the the progressive emaciation caused by the lack of protein and calories. In the Kaveskar, a lack of sufficient protein in the diet which leads to the failure of the neural development. Anemia, it is the caused by lack of iron and the diet for due to the inability to absorb iron for food. Pellagra, it occurs due to the deficiency of the tryptophan and lysine vitamins in the diet. In the balanced diet, supply of the adequate amount of different nutrient can help to improve the malnutrition. Changes caused by agriculture and overgrazing from the centuries of agriculture providing the inputs of the large number of the industries involved in the production. Deforestation, soil erosion, depletion of nutrients and impact of the related to the high yielding varieties, fertilizer related to the problems including the micronutrients, imbalance nitrate and pollutions and eutrophications and pesticide related problem. It is a major problem facing for the food resources. In the most of the food resources, the effect of the modern agriculture for the sustainable production of the modern techniques to enhance the productivity of the different cropping and adaptation of the modern agricultural practices has both positive and negative effects for the environment. Soil erosion, irrigation, agricultural and losses of genetical diversity, fertilizer pesticides problems, waterlogging and salinity. Thank you.